Okay, guys, so a quick review here. So what time is it here? 12 o'clock. Very good. Everybody, 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. And here, guys, what time is it here? 5 past 12. Very good. Everybody, 5 past 12. 5 past 12. Very good. And here? Excellent. Everybody, 10 past 12. Excellent. Very good. Everybody, a quarter past 12. A quarter past 12. And here? Yes, everybody, 20 past 12. Very good. Yes, 25 past 12. And here? Half. Very good. Everybody, half past 12. Half past 12. Very good. Remember, all of this side we say past, 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 and so on. Okay, guys? So everybody, 12 o'clock. 5 past 12. 10 past 12. A quarter past 12. 20 past 12. 25 past 12. Half past 12. Now, all of this side here we say 2, not past. No past. So everybody, so what time is it here?
25.
Very good. Very good. 25 to 1. Excellent. And here? Everybody, 20 to 1. 20 to 1. Not half. Half is 30 minutes, guys. Half is here. So not half. A quarter to 12, a quarter to 1. Very good. Everybody, a quarter to 1. A quarter to 1. And here? Very 10 past? No. 10 to 1. Everybody, 10 to 1. And 5 to 1. Everybody, 5 to 1. One more time. 25 to 1. 20 to 1. A quarter to 1. 10 to 1. 5 to 1. Very good. So remember, past or to? Past or to? Very good. So past and to. Now, here, guys, what time is it here? What time is it here?
5 to 11.
Excellent. Very good. So here, guys, is 5 minutes
5 minutes
to
to
11 o'clock.
11 o'clock.
So when we speak, we say 5 to 11.
5 to 11.
But remember, if you say, what time is it? Yeah, it's 10:55. It's perfectly correct. No problem. Okay? But try to practice this because in English, a lot of people say 5 to 11.
5 to 11.
Now here, guys, what time is it here?
10 to 10.
Very good. 10 to 11 or 10 to 10? Yes, very good. So about 10 to 10. So the logics, look, 9:50 plus 10 minutes, it's 10 o'clock. So we say 10 to 10. Very good. And here, what time is it here? Very good. So about 20 to 3.
20 to 3.
Yes, very good. And here, guys, what time is it? Not a quarter.
25 to
25 to 3? To 4? No.
5.
Very good. So, look at here. 4:35. Everybody, 4:35 plus 25. 3 o'clock? No. What time is it? 5. So these guys, not correct. So we say 25 to 5. Very good. So right, 25 to 5. 20 to 3. 10 to 10. 5 to 11. Yes, very good. Now, very good. So now, guys, look. Half past 1.
Half past 1.
Remember, 30 minutes. Half. Exactly. Half past 1.
Half past 1.
Half past 3.
Half past 3.
Half past 5.
Half past 5.
Half past 7.
Half past 7.
Half past 8.
Half past 8.
Half past 2.
Half past 2.
Half.
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 Half? No. Half.
Half.
So no L. The L is silent. No L. Half.
Half.
Half. Very good. 4:30.
Half past 4.
10:30.
Half past 10.
Very good. One more time, saying the letter. Right. Letter A is
Letter A is
1:30.
half past 1.
Letter B is
Letter B is
3:30.
half past 3.
Half.
Half.
Very good. Letter C is
Letter C is
5:30.
half past 5.
Letter D is
Letter D is
7:30.
half past 7.
Letter E is
Letter A is
8:30.
half past 8.
Letter F is
Letter F is
2:30.
half past 2.
Letter G is
Letter G is
4:30.
half past 4.
Letter H is
Letter H is
10:30.
half past 10.
Fantastic. Very good. Okay. So now, guys, look. 2. No past. 2. Okay. So what time is it here, guys?
22.
Very good. So everybody, 20 minutes to 1 o'clock or 20 minutes to 2? Very good. So everybody, 20 minutes
20 minutes
to
to
2. So it's the same pronunciation. 2 preposition, 2 the number, the same. So everybody, 20 to 2.
22.
And here, guys, what time is it here?
25 to 4.
Very good. So 25 minutes
25 minutes
to 4 o'clock.
to 4.
So we say 25 to 4.
25 to 4.
Very good. And here, guys, what time is it here?
10 to 6.
Yes, very good. 10 to 6.
10 to 6.
10 to 6.
10 to 6.
And here,
5 to 8.
very good. Everybody, 5 to 8.
5 to 8.
5 to 8.
5 to 8.
Excellent. And here,
10 to 9.
very good. 10 minutes to 9 o'clock.
10 minutes to 9.
10 to 9.
10 to 9.
12? No. 20 to 3. Very good. So about 20 to 3.
20 to 3.
And here,
5 to 5.
very good. Everybody, 5 to 5.
5 to 5.
5 to 5.
5 to 5.
25 to 11.
Very good. 25
25
to 11.
to 11.
Yes, very good. So let's repeat one more time quickly, guys. So everybody, 20 to 2.
20 to 2.
25 to 4.
25 to 4.
10 to 6.
10 to 6.
5 to 8.
5 to 8.
10 to 9.
10 to 9.
20 to 3.
20 to 3.
20. Yeah, sorry. 5 to 5.
5 to 5.
25 to 11.
25 to 11.
Very good. With the letters now. Letter A is
Letter A is
20 to 2.
22.
Letter B is
Letter B is
25 to 4.
25 to 4.
Letter C is
Letter C is
10 to 6.
10 to 6.
Letter D is
Letter D is
5 to 8.
5 to 8.
Letter E is
Letter E is
10 to 9.
10 to 9.
Letter F is
Letter F is
20 to 3.
23.
Letter G is
Letter G is
5 to 5.
5 to 5.
And
And
letter H is
letter H is
25 to 11.
25.
Yes, very good. Now, last one, guys. Come on, we can do it. Come on. So what time is it here now, guys?
Quarter
2. Very good. So everybody, a quarter to 2. Very good. Everybody, a quarter to 2. Remember, a quarter, guys, is 45 minutes or 15 minutes?
15 minutes.
Very good. Everybody, 15. 15 minutes. A quarter.
A quarter.
Yes, very good. So a quarter to 4.
A quarter to 4.
A quarter to 4.
A quarter to 4. A quarter to 6.
Very good. A quarter to 6.
A quarter to 6. A quarter to 8.
A quarter to 8.
A quarter to 8. A quarter to 9.
A quarter to 9.
A quarter to 9. A quarter to 3.
Very good. Come on, guys. A quarter to 3.
A quarter to 3.
A quarter to 5.
A quarter to 5.
A quarter to 5.
A quarter to 11.
A quarter to 11.
A quarter to 11.
One more time. A quarter to 2.
A quarter to 2.
A quarter to 4.
A quarter to 4.
A quarter to 6.
A quarter to 6.
A quarter to 8.
A quarter to 8.
A quarter to 9.
A
A quarter to 3. A quarter to 5. A quarter to 11. Letter A is a quarter to 2. Letter B is a quarter to 4. Letter C is a quarter to 6. Letter D is a quarter to 8. Letter E is a quarter to 9. Letter F is a quarter to 3. Letter G is a quarter to 5. Letter H is a quarter to 11. Very good. Now, guys, what time is letter? What time is letter? B, blue. So, blue, B. What time is it?
25 to 4.
Excellent. Everybody, 25 to 4.
25 to 4.
Now, what time is letter?
What type is letter?
E,
E.
yellow.
Yellow.
So, yellow, E.
Quarter to 9.
Very good, everybody. A quarter to 9.
A quarter to 9.
Now, what time is letter?
What type is letter?
F,
F.
green.
Half past 2.
Very good. So, about 2:30.
Half past 2.
What time is letter?
What time is letter?
A,
A.
blue.
Blue.
22 2.
Very good. So, blue A, 20 to 2.
22.
Very good. So, one more time, guys. Very quick now. 1:30.
Half past 1.
3:30.
Half past 3.
5:30.
Half past 5.
Half.
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 7:30.
Half past 7.
8.
Half past 8.
2.
Half past 2.
4.
Half past 4. 10. Half past 10.
Very good. 20 to 2.
22 2.
25 to 4.
25 to 4.
10 to 6.
26.
5 to 8.
5 to 8.
10 to 9.
10 to 9.
20 to 3.
23.
5 to 5.
5 to 5.
25 to 11.
25 to 11.
Very good. So, a quarter to 2.
A quarter to 2.
A quarter to 4.
A quarter to 4.
A quarter to 6.
A quarter to 6.
A quarter to 8.
A quarter to 8.
A quarter to 9.
A quarter to 9.
A quarter to 3.
A quarter to 3.
A quarter to 5.
A quarter to 5.
And finally,
Finally,
a quarter to 11.
a quarter to 11.
Fantastic job.